The deep sea, a place of mystery, a place of wonder. It is the largest habitat on Earth, yet we know very little about it. Sunlight fades away as you descend, the water grows colder, and pressure increases. It's a challenging environment, but life finds a way. Imagine a world without sunlight. This is the reality for creatures of the deep. The deep sea begins where sunlight can no longer reach, about 200 meters below the surface. The deepest part of our ocean is nearly 11 kilometers deep. That's the Mariana Trench. Life in the deep sea has adapted in incredible ways. Some creatures have large eyes to see in the dark. Others produce their own light through bioluminescence. Many have developed unique ways to find food and survive. The deep sea is teeming with strange and wonderful creatures. Let's dive down and explore this hidden world. We'll meet some fascinating creatures, learn how they've adapted to this extreme environment, and discuss why exploring the deep sea is crucial for understanding our own planet. Prepare to be amazed. The deep sea is home to some of the most extraordinary creatures on Earth. Animals here have adapted to survive in complete darkness, withstand immense pressure, and they've developed ingenious ways to find food. One such creature is the anglerfish. This fish has a bioluminescent lure dangling in front of its mouth. This lure attracts prey in the pitch-black water. It's a clever trick to catch a meal. The anglerfish has a huge mouth and sharp teeth, perfect for grabbing unsuspecting prey. Then there's the vampire squid. This creature is not actually a squid, but a distant relative of both squid and octopuses. It has large bioluminescent eyes and webbing between its arms, giving it a ghostly appearance. The vampire squid can turn itself inside out. This is a defense mechanism to confuse predators. Finally, we have the Dumbo octopus. This adorable creature has ear-like fins that resemble the ears of Dumbo the elephant. It uses these fins to fly through the water. The Dumbo octopus lives on the ocean floor where it searches for worms and crustaceans to eat. The deep sea presents unique challenges to life, yet creatures have adapted in incredible ways. These adaptations are a testament to the power of evolution. Over millions of years, animals have developed features that allow them to thrive in this extreme environment. One of the most important adaptations is bioluminescence. Many deep-sea creatures can produce their own light. This light serves various purposes. For the anglerfish, it's a tool for attracting prey. For other creatures, it can be used for communication, defense, or even to attract a mate. Bioluminescence is a chemical reaction that produces light energy within an organism's body. Another crucial adaptation is the ability to withstand pressure. The deeper you go in the ocean, the greater the pressure. Deep-sea creatures have adapted to this pressure. They often have bodies filled with fluids that match the surrounding pressure, preventing them from being crushed by the weight of the water above. Deep-sea creatures have also developed unique ways to find food. With no sunlight, there's no photosynthesis, meaning food is scarce in the deep. Some animals, like the anglerfish, use lures to attract prey. Others are scavengers, feeding on dead organisms that sink from the surface. The anglerfish is perhaps the most iconic deep-sea creature. It's known for its unusual appearance and its ingenious hunting strategy. The anglerfish has a large head and a wide mouth filled with sharp teeth, but its most distinctive feature is the bioluminescent lure that dangles in front of its face. This lure is attached to a modified spine on the anglerfish's head. The tip of the lure contains millions of bioluminescent bacteria. These bacteria produce a soft, blue-green light. This light attracts smaller fish and other prey. The anglerfish can even wiggle its lure to make it look like a swimming creature. When prey gets close enough, the anglerfish strikes. Its large mouth opens wide, and it swallows its prey whole. The anglerfish's stomach can expand to twice its size, allowing it to eat prey larger than itself. There are over 200 species of anglerfish, and they come in a variety of shapes and sizes. Some anglerfish live in shallow water, but most inhabit the deep sea. The females are much larger than the males. In some species, the male anglerfish is a tiny parasite that attaches itself to the female's body. Section 5. The vampire squid, a creature of the shadows. The vampire squid is another fascinating denizen of the deep. Its name may sound scary, but it's a relatively small and harmless creature. The vampire squid gets its name from its dark coloration, its webbing between its arms, and its large bioluminescent eyes. Unlike true squid, the vampire squid does not have ink sacs. Instead, it has a unique defense mechanism. When threatened, the vampire squid turns itself inside out. It pulls its webbing over its body, revealing rows of spiny projections called cirri. This transformation makes the vampire squid look much larger and more intimidating. The vampire squid also uses bioluminescence to its advantage. It can produce flashing lights from the tips of its arms and from spots on its body. These flashes can startle predators and give the vampire squid a chance to escape. The vampire squid lives in the ocean's oxygen minimum zone, where few other creatures can survive. It feeds on marine snow, a shower of organic debris that falls from the surface. Section 6. Unlocking Earth's Secrets, the importance of deep sea exploration. The deep sea may seem like a distant and irrelevant place, but it plays a vital role in the health of our planet. The ocean regulates our climate, provides us with food, and generates oxygen. Exploring the deep sea helps us understand these processes and how to protect this valuable resource. Deep sea exploration has already led to many important discoveries. For example, scientists have discovered hydrothermal vents on the ocean floor. These vents release heat and chemicals from the Earth's interior. Amazingly, these vents support thriving ecosystems. Scientists have also found new species of marine life, many of which have unique adaptations for surviving in the deep. Studying the deep sea can also teach us about the history of our planet. Sediment layers on the ocean floor contain clues about past climates and ecosystems. By analyzing these sediments, scientists can learn about how Earth's climate has changed over millions of years. Section 7. Surprising discoveries, from hydrothermal vents to new life forms. Deep sea exploration is full of surprises. Scientists are constantly making new discoveries that challenge our understanding of life on Earth. One of the most remarkable discoveries was the existence of hydrothermal vents. These vents, found at mid-ocean ridges, spew out superheated water rich in minerals. Despite the extreme conditions, hydrothermal vents support thriving ecosystems. Instead of sunlight, these ecosystems rely on chemosynthesis. Bacteria near the vents use chemicals from the vent water to produce energy. These bacteria form the base of the food chain, supporting a diverse community of creatures, including giant tube worms, clams, and crabs. Deep sea exploration has also revealed a vast array of new life forms. Scientists estimate that millions of species remain undiscovered in the deep sea. These creatures have developed unique adaptations to survive in this challenging environment. Some have antifreeze proteins in their blood to prevent ice crystals from forming. Others have evolved ways to withstand the crushing pressure of the deep. Section 8. Our role in protecting the deep. The deep sea is facing growing threats from human activities. Pollution, climate change, and deep sea mining are all putting pressure on this fragile ecosystem. It's crucial that we take steps to protect the deep sea and its inhabitants. Pollution from oil spills, plastic waste, and other sources can harm marine life and damage deep sea habitats. Climate change is causing ocean temperatures to rise and ocean acidification to increase. These changes can disrupt marine ecosystems and harm sensitive species. Deep sea mining, which targets minerals on the ocean floor, has the potential to destroy vast areas of habitat and release harmful pollutants into the water. We can all do our part to protect the deep sea. Reducing our carbon footprint, supporting sustainable seafood choices, and advocating for policies that protect our oceans are all important steps. By working together, we can ensure that the wonders of the deep sea are preserved for future generations. Section 9. A call to action, preserving our blue planet. The deep sea is a vast and mysterious realm, teeming with life that we are only beginning to understand. It is a place of wonder, beauty, and incredible scientific importance. But this hidden world is under threat. We must act now to protect this valuable resource. We need to support research and exploration to learn more about the deep sea and the creatures that live there. We need to reduce our impact on the ocean by reducing pollution, combating climate change, and managing fisheries sustainably. And we need to educate others about the importance of ocean conservation. The future of the deep sea, and indeed the future of our planet, depends on the choices we make today. Let us choose to protect this incredible ecosystem and ensure that the wonders of the deep continue to inspire and amaze us for generations to come.